the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Welcome back. Here is your Aztec Chevrolet forecast. We start with the flash flood watch for the entire area through 1 o'clock on Saturday afternoon. Maybe they can get the junior parade in Saturday afternoon because the rain really looks like it's going to stop here in town by then. Severe thunderstorm watch till 11 o'clock for parts of Duval and also Live Oak County. We are not included in the watch that I think will be extended eastward later tonight. We will certainly keep you posted and have the latest information crawled across the bottom of your screen there. So that is the situation. The main threat from this storm system coming is flash flooding due to heavy rain. There's a moderate threat of strong winds, hail and lightning, and a very low threat of tornadic activity. By the way, the Padre Island National Seashore is officially closed. They've had higher than normal tides on area beaches there all week, and it's a mess. Live radar shows nothing going on in the region right now. We've had a quiet day, but very steamy. We hit 89 this afternoon. Heat index was close to 100 degrees, so very tough with the high humidity that's going to feed into these storms as they move in from Mexico right now near Laredo. But the big storms are way back here in Mexico, will be arriving overnight. Western areas first, and then that's all going to come together because of this front advancing in our direction. And yes, this front is going to go through, and very unusual to see that happen in the middle of May as this moves into the region later tonight and tomorrow. And that's why we're going to have focusing mechanism for showers and thunderstorms and makes the forecast so difficult. Upper level disturbance is going to roll right across the top of this. Here it is. And that's going to cause the lift in the atmosphere. You can see the big plume of moisture here. This has just come up, and that's because of the lift due to the disturbance. And we're taking the tropical moisture here at the surface and lifting it into cold air aloft, and that spells trouble as far as thunderstorms forming. And here they come. Very heavy rain in some spots tonight. Looks like the northern half of the coastal bend is going to get more rain than the southern half. This is 10 o'clock tonight. Here it is at 11:30 with these storms blasting through the area. And again, there could be some hail. But the big thing is going to be the heavy rain and potential flooding. And if we get enough heavy rain, then we're going to have sinking air instead of rising air. So that'll cause everything to settle down by daybreak. That would be good for the morning commute and off to school, of course. And then everything backs up with that front tomorrow night. So we start to see showers develop overnight tomorrow night and into Saturday morning, falling on already saturated ground, and that could cause the localized flooding. And there it is ending Saturday afternoon and evening, and by Sunday things look pretty decent. So the timing of this is 7 to 10 p.m. western half of the coastal bend, eastern half between 10 p.m. and about 3 to 4 a.m. with rainfall amounts that are going to vary widely across the region, less than an inch to the south to up to 6 inches in northern sections of the region. And I know I didn't get to finish everything I wanted to say, so we're going to do a Facebook Live at about 6:45 for you Chris 6 fans. There's the NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast. Again, big storms and rain tonight. Tomorrow afternoon it'll dry out. More rain on Saturday, but ending Saturday afternoon. And I think Mother's Day actually looks pretty good. I mentioned this earlier in the week. Mother's Day is the driest day of the weekend, but I also think Saturday afternoon and evening is going to be pretty dry here in Corpus Christi.
Okay.